Ngingena ku-Facebook ngizithela phe kwepost kaZizipho ethi Ngizwe's home burned down. Apparently 3 men arrived asking for him and suddenly starting burning.
Ngizwe.
Bakufika abantu la bazofuna ungizwa samtshela ukuthi akekho mpaka lokho washo umlilo.
Kufanele usinqomo umkakhe uFlot.
Na use-Cape Town.
Use-Cape Town.
Ngobuzwa ke nawe la. Lo muzoshile kodwa osembumbulu. Kuthiwa ungizwe nomkakhe kabekho base Cape Town. Ngiyazi ukuthi mawubheka kule post kaZizipho kunama emoji ahlekayo ukhombisa ukuthi khona abantu abajabule njengoba kunje. Ikakhulukazi abayizitha zakhe ungizwe. Oso yami akukona ukukhuluma ngomuzi kaNgizwe oshile. Kodwa ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento engicabanga ukuthi ingaba imbangelo kusha ngomuzi kaNgizwe. Ngifuna ukubeka futhi lokho engikubekayo akuwona ama facts kodwa into engiobservayo uma ngisibuka sonke lesimo. Lokhu ngukucabanga kwami uma ngibuka lesimo I'm connecting the dots. Akhona amaphoyisa ofuneka afike bazokwenza yonke into efuneka bayenze, babuze abantu efuneka babuze, baphenye. Kodwa mina ngizo connect ama dots ngendlela mina engicabanga ngayo. Asiqale la. Einsukwini ezedlule ngeke ngabona ivideo ebiyenziwe uKing Said So. Lapha ebeveza khona ebhale ipost ethi uphakela umthakathi uthi impilo yabo isengcupheni. Ngifisa ukucaphunela leyo video ngoba isiqalo salento engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo.
Serious yes. Mana hey akayona intombi umkhulu wena. Nazi intombi lapha. Bafowethu khona iqiniso fanele silikhulume phambi kwamakhamera lapha. Lapha kathukweni khona abantu abafaka ama-mask abathunywe ukuthi bezosibulala thina. Lapha kathukweni khona abafaka igqoko eziyimihelane abayivala ubuso abangafuni ukuba semakhamereni. Mana wena. Abathunywe ukuthi bezosibulala niyezwa. Wait. Siyacela. Sineyingane bafowethu. Sinabafazi bafowethu niyezwa. Kodwa izwe likhulu kunomfazi wami. Izwe likhulu kuneyingane zami. Siyacela bafowethu nisivikele. Bafowethu. Siyacela niyezwa bafowethu. Ayilula lento esiyenzayo. Siyacela bafowethu sicela nisivikele. Ubukela kulula kumuntu ohleli efonini bafowethu niyezwa. Ubukela kulula umuntu ohleli efonini lapha phakathi kweni kunabantu abathunyiwe ukuthi bezobulala thina. Siyacela bafowethu sicela nisivikele. Siyacela bodadewethu, siyacela ingane zakithi sicela nisivikele.
Suke ezedlule imashi le iyadlondlobala kakhulu. Sabona ubaba uphakela umthakathi ungizwe noJacinta bazojoyina uXolani Khumalo behamba amamashi yaba khona la eHillbrow yaba khona kuUvale iGoli lo balihamba basuka baye eFosloras esizwa kuthiwa ngenxa yemashi ifaka ingcindezi kulabantu abebekidnaphe uMazwi baze bamkhulula sobuye sikhuluma indaba yakhe base beyeThekwini wena ekuthiwa kusePoint kuneflat afike balizungeza base bethi kumaphoyisa awangene kuleli flat banolwazi ukuthi kunani lapha futhi bayawazi namaphoyisa afikayo azothatha okweshumi. Ngakho ke ngoba bayazi bona ukuthi kunama drugs bafuna ukuthi amaphoyisa angene.
Thatha isinqumo sokuthi zenze umbhekisho ukuthula. Njengoba uyibona ihleli phansi kanje. Sihlalele ukuthi zithi amaphoyisa sicela amaphoyisa angene la sinesiqiniseko sinamagama amaphoyisa. Uma ngabe amaphoyisa angangeni la sizobalula amagama amaphoyisa sikhipha amavideo amagama amaphoyisa nezithombe zawo amaphoyisa alihlomulayo kulabantu bokufika abahlala la kulama drugs la sithi thina amaphoyisa sicela ukuappruvela ukuthi njengomphakathi yithi sinolwazi makuthiwa asihlale sisiza amaphoyisa ukuthi amaphoyisa enze umsebenzi wawo sethembeke siwumphakathi singahlangani nobugebengu silekelela amaphoyisa sisuke senzela lokho njengamanje sithi amaphoyisa sizohlala phansi thina bese sithi amaphoyisa sicela sesha bangatholanga lutho sinabopho thina
phela kamaphoyisa angenile kuleli bhilidi.
Nabantu abagangayo njengoba bese kushiwo ukuthi khona abathunyiwe siyazi ufuna ukuzama Nkosi yami angazama asazi Nkosi yami kodwa into engijabulelayo ukuthi sibambisene kahle namaphoyisa futhi senza nokunye okunceda umphakathi wethu angithi singenile kulela bhilidi angithi ngibonile phasi phezulu up and down kanjani ngenile namaphoyisa sabopha abantu sathola ama-drugs naloko okunye okuphuzwayo angazi ibizwane lento kodwa bona bayazi ukuthi into engekho emthethweni so ngibonga kakhulu ey'nsizweni ukuthi bayenze sure ukuthi kune-discipline ngoba uma kuthiwa kuhlalwa phansi kuhlalwa phansi uma kuthiwa kuyahanjwa kuyahanjwa so loko kusemqoka ngoba ngabe besiyenza isipolitiki lento ngabe ibhimbile.
Njengoba ubona bathi amaphoyisa uma esengenile aphuma nabo abantu bebabophile nalento akhuluma ngazo uXolani uzibonile kuleyo mgqomo kuleya ndoda lekade bethu intshebe kuyo abazitholile. Umehluko-ke ngesikhathi beseGoli alikho ibuilding abangena kulo bahamba nje emgwaqweni kwaba imash eyayi-peaceful babehamba emgwaqweni kodwa uma befika eThekwini bafike ba-raida ibuilding. Ibalulekile lento engiyishoyo ngoba iholele ekuthenini kungani ngithi mina isona sizathu esenza ukuthi umuzi kaNgizwe ushiswe. Angiphinde ngikucaphunele uXolani.
You'll be surprised. See this building? I've arrested 7 guys from this building before. I have proof, I know, that this building is infested with drugs. So whatever information they got is 100% correct. Because I know we once arrested people here. It was in the morning, and I don't know where they are now. Maybe Bapumile, because Bapumile anyway. I wouldn't say our justice system is failing us, but you know, Abantu Bapuma, and say. So what I'm happy with is that Umphakathi is respecting the march. We are trying to allow the SAPS to assist us with Baba Bangene Baseche because of I also know there is a lot of drugs. and ngifisa ngathi banga-arrange amasinyane warrant ukuthi bakwazi ukungena. But information ukuthi kune-one abambalekisile, which is very disappointing. Angeke sithi silusana nobugebengu ama-officers wethu abalekisa iy'gebengu. But anyway, the business of the day is the match, and we are very happy that the match is proceeding in the right.
Some other people will say, why do you guys announce that you're coming? Why don't you just feature?
It's a match. It's a walkabout. It's not an operation. So if we are to do an operation, no one would know. I would have probably came here at night. Yeah, so it's a peaceful match. The business of the day is the walkabout.
La ndawo iyachaza ukuthi wakwafika la nesizokuthola kwaboshwa abantu abawu7 asola ukuthi kungenzeka babaphumile. Kunevideo kaGeneral Mkhwanazi njengoba bebehlangene noJacinta ngolwesihlanu bedingida lona udaba ukuthi kuzomiswa kanjani indaba abantu laba bakhona la ngokungekho semthethweni. Angifuni ukuyifaka ekhuluma nje ngokuboshwa kwabantu laba batholakala ngama-drugs. Inkinga mangase ngifake yona izophuma le video kulesihloko engifuna ibe kuso ngoba izosuke besiya kwenye indawo. Njengoba ubona-ke bengenile kule bhilidi, khumbula ukuthi uPhakela Umthakathi ushilo wathi kukhona abantu abathunyiwe okwenza ukuthi iy'mpilo zabo zibe sengcupheni. Ngapha bareyide i-building, into abangazange bayenze bela iGoli. Bafike bahlala phansi base becela amaphoyisa ukuthi awangene, kwakhona abantu ababoshwayo. Kwase kuba khona abantu ababoshwayo. uJacinta ngesikhathi aye lapha kwi-podcast and chill bambuza khona ukuthi akaze asatshiswe na, akaze asatshiswe na, waphendula kanje.
You don't have any security. You don't have
Of course,
security.
I have security.
You've got security.
Yeah, definitely. I have to have security.
Yeah,
please.
But yeah, definitely. I have to have security. But I feel like I'm a strong believer in God. I feel like even if I have like 50 security guards, when it's time to go, I'll go.
When did you
know what I mean?
when did you start getting security? Because I mean, you didn't start this and then like, oh, I need security.
I think it was last year
Last
when
year.
it started getting like serious.
What does that mean? Like, is someone calling you and saying, "Hey"?
I get death threats. I get remember, I'm pissing off a lot of people
course,
here.
of course.
Like,
And their
if
money.
we're talking about
And their bread.
27 million people who are illegal immigrants, don't forget, it's not only them. There's also people who are in support of them. There's people who are assisting them.
Oh, yeah.
There's NGOs.
There's people who make money from
people
them.
who make money
Because
from
they live in
them.
their buildings.
Exactly.
Yes.
So you're pissing off
But I'm trying to find out how they intimidate you. Are they calling
They
you?
call, they send messages on Facebook, on you can go to my TikTok now. You'll probably find like someone telling me that my days are numbered or something. Yeah. I feel like, I've prayed about it. That's all for me. Like, I've prayed about it and I pray about it a lot. I just don't think God would make me do this if he wasn't going to be there and there for a reason.
How different is your movement?
To Tutula.
Yes, to
I knew you
Tutula.
were going to say that.
Yes,
Yo.
you're ready.
No. I think we're not too different. But we're more like we use the law more of the time. Like I said, before we went to the hospitals, we had already making noise about it. What you see, don't keep quiet. If you're seeing children being trafficked. But the
It's
problem is
bad,
people
man.
are scared to go to the police because some of the police are corrupt because there's good cops and there's bad cops. And I know we live in a mafia state, Shem. It's
Bruh, it's
sad.
bad,
I
man.
know it's bad.
And you're just scratching the surface.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, here's the
But
thing.
there's no such thing as scratching the surface because trust me, any movement when it comes to criminals disorganizes them one way or another. Because once you start paying attention and people are now more aware and taking pictures and they've got videos and they're ready, now they're becoming more and more scared to do things like openly. But these people were stealing children like in broad daylight. It was a thing now. They were like not afraid of anything.
So when you go and you're talking about this stuff, are you not scared for your safety? Because we had, who was it, Sizoktola? Who did we have Sizoktola?
Xolani.
This is a Kolani. We've had him. Kolani, we've had him.
He was actually doing...
Why are you calling him the drug guy?
Yeah, Kolani. Brave guy, Kolani.
Remember,
The
he was
drug
actually
guy.
doing the job, and then when he started to get to the big boys,
Yeah.
he found out it's politicians, and they told him, stop what you're doing.
Yeah.
PKTT
Yeah.
did the things when they started arresting the big wigs.
Yeah.
General Kumalo taken to, he's got a case for HR.
Yeah.
Things are, they starting to make up things.
Even me, they tried to
Or
arrest
digging
me
up.
last week.
Oh, yes.
Listen, once you start making politicians uncomfortable, you must know that the next move they'll make is to try and destroy you. But like I said, I don't have a choice. It's either I do it
You've
or
never
if
had
I
any
don't.
death threats?
Do you know of a
plenty.
politician?
Plenty.
Like,
Uthi Jacinta la ubethola ama-death threats. Isona sizathu esenza ukuthi abe ne-security. Yena abe nabantu abamgadayo. Ukunjengoba phela masimbone sebantwini asibabonda abantu basuke bekhona nabo begade kodwa ukuthi kungabi bikho iphutha elenzekayo. Njengoba uphakela umthakathi kade ekhuluma ubengaqamba amanga. Uma ithi impilo zabo isengcupheni wakunabantu abathunyiwe. Ngempela njengoba benza lento abayenzayo kunabantu abaphazamisekayo. Kunabantu abaphazamisekayo. Uzokhumbula ukuthi uXolani Khumalo lo wesizokuthola wakwakhuluma ukuthi bathi sebefikile khona futhi eDurban sebembophile umuntu phone call ku-station command yabatshela abayeka lento abayenzayo yayingekho futhi into angayenza ngoba ekugcineni kosuku labantu funa banikelwe kumaphoyisa ababophe uma amaphoyisa engababopha ayikho into ongayenza naka into efika ibebuhlungu ongizwe ukusunguma kwabo benza lento abayenzayo baphazamise abantu okuyibona abarana lama buildings nokuyibona abarana le business yeyidakamizwa. Ngakho ke ngoba uJacinta ugadiwe futhi uJacinta uhlala ke endaweni esesilungwini. I think it's gated indawo khona nama security. Akulula ukuthi bangene la ahlala khona. Wathi uphakela umthakathi nongizwa abantu basemakhaya. Kunocingo nje lolongaleqa kalula. Yingakho kulula ukuthi bona babahlasele kanje. Yabona uJacinta ayikho into yakuyenzeka ngoba usekho la ahlala khona naye futhi ugadiwe. Kodwa wathola ama-death threats. Ngade ngifunda ipost kaZizipho mawubheka ama-comments khona abathi awushisele yena indlungizwe ngoba abantu base-South Africa banjalo.
I'm very angry about what's going on in the Johannesburg fire situation. Now, for those that don't know, because the media is deliberately misleading people, politicians are always saying things that try and confuse and mislead people. Let me break it down to you so now there's over 100 buildings that they claim is hijacked. Let me explain what that actually means in English. What that means is that they sit down, they register NGOs in their children's names, in their relatives' names, and they claim those buildings from the city of Joburg for themselves. So an NGO for gender-based violence, an NGO for Nyaupe children, an NGO, they register random NGOs, and these NGOs get free buildings from government. What they then do is that they then hijack the buildings themselves and begin to collect rentals. So from these buildings, the same building we were at yesterday, the building that burned down, there were rentals being collected. People who lived in the area informed us that they were people who came in and collected rentals. Now, this is a building that's been given to NGOs. Why are rentals being collected? This is an actual building that somebody through an NGO owned and then thereafterwards pretended as though it's hijacked and they were collecting rentals. Now, when we did the calculations ourselves, the rentals were about 300,000 Rand being collected every month in cash. Because these guys would send in people with guns to collect rent from people that lived in there. And there's over 100 buildings in Johannesburg where this happens. Now the media is going to act like nothing's wrong. The people are saying, you know what, it's foreigners, etc., etc. We know that there's a syndicate working. We know that political parties in the city of Johannesburg are allocating buildings to themselves through NGOs, making profit. In one of the buildings, 5 million Rand is collected in cash every single month. And the reason they all blame is to say, no, these NGOs take the people to court and they actually force people, the city can't do anything, our hands are tied. Of course they do that. They're collecting funds every single month. I don't understand why the media is not asking the people that are actually involved to find out what's going on. So there's a whole lot of corruption, and we need to open up our minds and actually see it for what it is.
Ekho umuntu ongasuka eNigeria noma eZimbabwe noma eGhana noma kuphi afika hijack ibuilding eSouth Africa ahlale khona engenayo umuntu waseSouth Africa abamsene naye. Kodwa umphola uyasitshela ukuthi kunabantu bala eSouth Africa abanye basebenzela igovernment, yibona abafake labantu abangama-Nigeria, yibona abacollect rent lapha ya, babe nemali enough ukuthi uma ngase kuthiwa wena uyangena manje government bese uthi no labantu mfuna ukuba i-Victor ngibakhiphe out la, isuke le NGO iyokuvulela icala enkantolo ifike bekwazi nokuthi bakhokhela abameli, ngoba bakhokhela abameli laba abalazi udaba lwabo. Yonke lento yenziwa abantu bala eSouth Africa. Ama-foreigners ayi-scapegoat, yibona abantu efuneka sibablame kanti umkhuba usekhaya. Iyona nje into ebuhlungu ngayo yonke nje lento eyenzeka la eSouth Africa ukuthi abantu aba-involve kulobugebengu ngabantu bala eSouth Africa, kodwa i-scapegoat sabo yilabantu laba abangaphandle. Njengoba uzwa umpho esho la, labantu laba bafika la eSouth Africa ba-desperate, kuthiwa hlala la uzosenzela nawo umsebenzi. Uyazi lo muntu, ngeke ngasho ekuqaleni ngathi kunabantu abaziyo ukuthi ngeke baze baboshwe ngoba funeka enze i-phone call mayiboshwe. Lo muntu lo bengisho kule video le eyedlula bengingasho kule. Lo muntu la bazomfonela uzokwenza izinto zenzeke ngoba uzofonela abakhulu kosopolitiki, afonele izikhulu emaphoyiseni, ilunga indaba yabo. Ngakho ke ukungena ukufika kongizwe bame ngaphandle kuleya building yasePoint bethi amaphoyisa wangene, kuphazamiseke ibhizinisi yama-drugs, kuphazamiseke abantu abaqashe khona, kunyakazise nalabantu okuyibona bona abanikazi bendawo. Yingakho ke kwenzeka lento enzeka kungizwe. Ukusha kwendlu kangizwe ngokwami ukucabanga kususwa ukuthi ungizwe bahambe bayongena kuleya building, bafikile eGoli balizula lonke eGoli ngenxa ukuthi akuna building abangene kuyo kwaboshwa abantu, akunayo lutho enzekile. Bolokho ebakhona amamashi, kodwa umehluko wale mashi ebikhona yingoba ifike yabopha abantu kwatholakala ama-drugs kwi-building. Angibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho, kodwa nje I was just connecting the dots ukuthi ibheke lento ukuthi ungizwe sonke lesikhathi bebelobe bekhuluma ngabantu, bekhuluma ngayo ukuthi baklinizwe lapha bengakaze bahlasela. Uphakela umthakathi uthi impilo zabo isengcupheni ngoba sonke isikhathi ubekhuluma ukuthi abantu abahambe, ubakhiphile kwaNongoma zange wathola ama-death threats. uJacinta uyagadwa namhlanje ngoba wathola ama-death threats, uyagadwa. So babonile abantu ukuthi uma sebasabatshela ukuthi yehlukana nalento eniyenzayo abezwa kahle, batshela labantu asimprove the point. Lento ikabili kungenzeka bafuna ukumfaka amanzi emadolweni ungizwe ukuthi hayi uma ngabe awufuni ukucomply uzokubona kwakho ezikade emthini.